Our entry into the SunPower 2018 Intelegant Awards is a stunning 19 kilowatt installation in Rancho Santa Fe, California, and a source of great pride for us. The 54-panel system includes SunPower X21 345 AC modules with 54 SunPower AC PV microinverters and Invisimount racking. Jobs like this are all about the details, and this project had some unique challenges. In order to install on this roof, we needed a composite shingle underlay. That's nothing we're unfamiliar with, but the part where it became tricky was where you enter the vestibule from the courtyard. The underside had no tongue and groove, and the tiles were exposed to the bottom side. This area was about 5 feet in depth and spanned into the vestibule from the eave edge. This is where we needed to match the existing tongue and groove. This is a custom home build with rough cut wood with a distressed look and made finding the correct materials difficult. The new tongue and groove was custom milled, then sandblasted to match what was currently on the house. Our team was also able to conceal this giant 1.25-inch conduit on the roof. We were actually able to traverse up the roof under the tile to an LB conduit body. That's where we entered the attic to keep the conduit out of sight, giving this array the true Invisimount look. The customer was thrilled with the end result and was even more excited to be selected as a finalist in the SunPower Intelegant competition.